Hello, it's Ben Cooper from Berthon here in a rather damp and rainy Lymington. But now we're going to zoom over to the south of France near Marseille to have a walk around video of the lovely Cur 63 SALINA. Welcome to the tour of the wonderful SALINA. She was built in 2014 by SALINA Yachts in Croatia to a design by Jason Kerr. She was originally configured as a performance cruising yacht and spent time in the Caribbean with her previous owner, hence the strong and very practical bimini arrangement. Although permanently fixed, these can be removed easily, should you prefer. The canvas over the helm was replaced in 2025. The cockpit bimini also supports solar panels in the front. Now you see both helms have throttle controls and recently installed B&G nav equipment, including Zeus chart plotters. The starboard side has the thruster controls, and uniquely on this boat, she has twin stern thrusters which give plenty of power, but also enables them to be offset to be able to house the Williams jet tender. The reason why this is because they're retractable and they take more space up in the lazarette. Visibility is excellent from both helms, all through the cockpit and aft of the yacht. Now we'll take a stroll forwards and go and have a quick look at the rig, which is quite a USP for SALINA. The Axon carbon rig was removed in 2025 and fully repainted. The rod rigging was replaced. All the hydraulics were serviced, including the vang, outhaul and backstay. The running rigging, you can see a bit there, but it's been taken off for the winter, was mostly replaced with Dyneema. And you can see the paint finish there on the V-boom. Absolutely superb. And also a quick view of the solar panels there on top of the bimini. Everything was checked, everything was replaced if it needed to be. Spreaders were painted, the whole rig was painted. And the vang was serviced, hydraulics were serviced. I think I've already mentioned that. You'll see there the foresail, the jib, is self-tacking. She does have a furling code 0 for angles slightly further off the wind, but she's self-tacking. She has a downline on the mainsail onto a hark and switch track, so the boat can be very easily sailed single-handed. In 2025, the furling unit was also replaced with an electric Baymar. And a quick look at the very strong anchor arrangement. Originally that was folding, but now it is fixed. Now we'll go and have a quick look down below into the accommodation of SALINA. Now here we are, a very open plan, spacious saloon area. She has hull windows either side. A lovely comfortable chart table area. She's got the B&G glass screen, FFDs to keep an eye on everything, water maker, everything is controllable here and also incorporated into the saloon. The port side has a lifting 49-inch television, which is next to the fish. And we'll swing round to the starboard side and the galley. Well-appointed galley with freezers, fridges, dishwashers, 4-burner stove. Both aft cabins are mirror image. Both of them have their own heads. Port side houses a washing machine for more blue water sailing. She's well equipped for blue water with water makers, washing machines, big tankage, and she's proved herself by going to the Caribbean. The starboard side saloon, the table does drop and convert into a bed. And you'll see there on the port side the bunk cabin, which is currently used for storage, but great for storage. You could turn it into a workshop or a kid's bedroom. As I said, the galley is very well appointed. The microwave, 2 sinks, top loading fridge, freezer, and 4 burner stove. All mattresses were replaced in 2022 and they have been reasonably lightly used since. A nice feature on this boat is the desk area on the port side of the owner's cabin here. This is a slight difference to the original design. Plenty of storage either side and underneath the bed, hull windows either side, and a large ensuite, which we'll go and have a look at in a minute. Forward of this cabin there is a crew cabin which houses 2 bunks and a heads unit, although for storage at the moment the heads has been removed. As you can see, spacious, well appointed, large shower behind the door. Oh, there you go. All heads are electric flushing. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of SALINA. Any questions, please do contact us and click subscribe for more videos from Berthon.